Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar P250 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we'll find the Pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading along the stylish yet rugged features of this vehicle, you will see your 21-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. To the rear, you're going to notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, and the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via a single press of the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their Deep Garnet and Ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. And as we glimpse into the cockpit, reveals your 20-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal, and advancing over at your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.